Imagine everything squeezed into a tiny point, smaller than a grain of sand. Suddenly, it explodes with unimaginable force. This was the Big Bang, the birth of our universe. It happened about 13.8 billion years ago. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space, but an expansion of space itself. It created everything around us, stars, galaxies, and even you and me. After the Big Bang, the universe was filled with hot gas and dust. Over billions of years, gravity pulled these particles together. These giant clouds of gas and dust are called nebulas. Our solar system formed from one such nebula. It was like a giant cosmic soup, full of ingredients to make stars and planets. In the heart of our nebula, gravity pulled the gas and dust closer and closer. As the cloud collapsed, it began to spin faster and faster like a spinning top. The center became incredibly hot and dense. Finally, the pressure and heat became so intense that nuclear fusion began. Our sun was born, a giant ball of burning gas that lights up our solar system. Not all the material in the nebula went into making the sun. The leftover dust and gas swirled around the newborn star. Over millions of years, these particles collided and stuck together like building a snowman. Tiny particles became pebbles, pebbles became boulders, and boulders became planetesimals. Finally, these planetesimals grew into the planets we know today, each with its own unique story. Section 5, the asteroid belt, leftovers of creation. Between Mars and Jupiter lies a region called the asteroid belt. It's like a giant cosmic junkyard. The asteroid belt is filled with rocky remnants from the solar system's formation. These asteroids are leftover planetesimals that never got the chance to become planets. They're like pieces of a puzzle that tell us about the early solar system. Section 6, diverse worlds, a solar system tapestry. Our solar system is an incredibly diverse place. We have rocky planets like Earth and Mars, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, and ice giants like Uranus and Neptune. Each planet has its own unique characteristics, from scorching temperatures to icy rings. There's even a dwarf planet called Pluto lurking in the outer reaches of our solar system. Section 7, our place in the cosmos. A pale blue dot. From space, Earth looks like a pale blue dot. It's a tiny oasis of life in the vastness of space. Our planet is just one of billions of planets in the Milky Way galaxy, and the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. It's humbling to think about how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Section 8, exploring our backyard, the age of discovery. We've sent spacecraft to every planet in our solar system and even beyond. We've landed rovers on Mars, flown by Pluto, and studied the rings of Saturn. Every mission teaches us more about our cosmic neighborhood. We're constantly making new discoveries that deepen our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Section 9, the future of our solar system. Endless possibilities. The exploration of our solar system is just beginning. In the future, we may build colonies on Mars, mine asteroids for resources, or even send missions to other star systems. The possibilities are endless. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we'll undoubtedly make even more amazing discoveries that will inspire future generations of scientists and dreamers.